What's up, Rich Crew? This is your boy Rich Action coming to you with another video. Let's go and see how we can make some money today. Thank you for joining the channel. This is a brand new channel with me and KD Invest. This is the Rich Crew channel. We're going to be going over stocks. We're going to be going over crypto. We're going to be going over financial education. But first, a treat for all my viewers, literally a treat. If you live in the Bensonhurst area or if you live in Brooklyn, you can visit Something Sweet and get a free scoop of ice cream. The owner there is mad cool. Just go there and say Rich Action and you'll get a free scoop of ice cream. So yeah, but let's get into how we can make some money with this game called Splinterlands. Now, Splinterlands is one of the best new games that's out there. They have two cryptocurrencies involved in it. Dark Energy Crystal right here, and they have another one called SPS Token. What is it? Is Splinterlands token, I guess. But the Dark Energy Crystal token is the main token for the whole platform. This is why you need to get into crypto. This is why you need to buy this token. I'm literally making $50 to $100 every day just by holding this token free. The more of Dark Energy Crystal you hold, the more SPS token you get. But first this, Splinterlands is an online crypto-based game on your desktop. Crypto-based games are gonna be the biggest thing since Swiss cheese. The biggest thing since Swiss cheese. This game is actually pretty fun. I'm not gonna go through the whole gameplay of it, but it's a card-based game, kind of like Yu-Gi-Oh or Pokemon, in which you can have different characters, different cards, and you can choose which cards you you play, and you're playing against your opponent, turn-based. But it's ridiculously fun. I almost play it like every other day, and I really like it. However, I'm in it for the money, and that's why you're here too. You are in it for the money. You need to buy this token. This token started off, let's say max, back in November of 2020. It was 0.00087, right? Skyrocketing over in July of 2021 right now, and it's going to continue to go up. Crypto games are going to get bigger. You're going to see a whole bunch of other people playing crypto games on YouTube and everywhere else. AXIE INFINITY right now is killing it. You just got to find which right project, which right game is going to do the same thing as that. And I think that this game, Splinterlands, has the ability to do it. Because you can trade cards, you can buy cards on the marketplace, you can lend cards out to different people that you own. You get what I'm saying? They have rare skins that you can buy and purchase, in which you can sell those skins later on, right? All of these cards right now, if you look at it, I like playing with the Fire Nation. I'll call it the Fire Nation. All these cards cost right now 23 cents, 24 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents, 55 cents. You got some that cost $4. All these cards in another 2 months, 3 months are gonna be worth $5, $10, $15, $20. Next year, $100, $200 per card, guaranteed. Dark Energy Crystal, it started off 0.0008. Has a total market cap of how many? What is this? Billion, trillion, quadrillion? 1 quadrillion tokens, which is not bad, you know, at 0.0054 right now. I bought 268,000 of these tokens, right? I bought some of the skins, so I got 85,000 points worth of skins. But the best thing about this crypto, and the best thing about why I'm sharing this with you right now, you're gonna be seeing people on YouTube do meme coins. Shiba Inu, I have Shiba Inu, but Baby Doge, Baby Shiba Inu, Baby Link. Those are meme tokens. Don't stop buying those tokens. You need something with potential. You need something that when you buy it next year, you can be selling it for 100x, 1000x, 2000x. That's what crypto's about. Getting into a project that you understand early. You have no idea what Baby Doge does. don't buy it, especially if you don't know what it does. You get what I'm saying? This is a platform game in which people are playing it similar to Yu-Gi-Oh, similar to Magic the Gathering, similar to Pokemon, in which people will play because it's games. You get what I'm saying? Just by holding Dark Energy Crystal and say that, say that you invested $200, right? That's 36,000 tokens that you have of Dark Energy Crystal. If this went to $1, that's $36,000 in your pocket or for $200, right? Once again, I have 264,000 tokens essentially, and every day that I hold it, I get automatic, right now with the 264,000 I have, I get around 46 SPS tokens every day for free because it's a 365-day airdrop. What that means, over the course of every day, I'll get free SPS tokens just by holding Dark Energy Crystal. You understand that? Free. So SPS token right now, it only has a supply of 200 million tokens at 27. A week or two ago, this was at 20. This was at $1, right? Per token. Yep, this was at 92 cents per token. The only reason it's going down right now is because the airdrop is lasting for 365 days. They're giving away more tokens on the market, thereby diluting the price, thereby decreasing the price. However, over the course of this 365 days, as the airdrop is given away and less tokens are available on the market, that price of 27 cents right now is going to go up. All you have to do is buy Dark Energy Crystal for 0.005. Hold it. I have 264,000. I get 46 SPS tokens every day. If an SPS token was $1, that would be $46 every day that I'll be making, right? So I've been holding this for about 4 days now. So I have 184 tokens free that I've gotten just by hold. This is free money, people. This is free money that I'm telling you about right now. Free money, right? What I've done, I'm gonna take this 184, I'm gonna claim it just by clicking claim. Waiting game with the little Splinter, I'm gonna claim it. I'm not gonna add animation, but it's gonna be like 3 hours later. Look, it increases 164 because I only had like 48 in here. Now look, this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna claim this and this too, but this is what I'm doing. I have more over here. Now I'm gonna stake the 63 that I just moved over, right? So I'm gonna stake the 63. Basically, I'm only able to take out 25%. If I wanted to take out 25% every week, that's what it's basically telling you right here. But I'm staking that 63 so that I can earn staking rewards on that extra token that I just got for free. Do you understand that? I'm holding Dark Energy Crystal. I'm taking that 64 that I just got that I just claimed. Remember, I'm getting 46 a day, right? I'm moving it over here and I'm staking it and I'm earning 313% on that 64. So right now I'm staking 1,653. This is not included in this until I move it over. I'm earning 313% every year. So that's around 1.25 or 1.15% every day on this 1,653. Free. Free. I don't know how else to tell you. Buy Dark Energy Crystal. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. But I bought, you got to decide to buy on yourself. But if you buy this 200, you get 36,000. You'll probably get, I'm going to make a number up, 5 to 10 SPS tokens every day just by holding it in your wallet, right? You move it over to the game and you stake it and you earn further rewards in SPS tokens every day, every day. And this airdrop lasts for 365 days 14 minus 365, what is that? 351? No, 351 more days that you could be earning free SPS tokens every day for free. Nobody else is talking about this on YouTube. I know, wait, probably 3 or 4 people are talking about this. But this is free money, people. This is just farming, but with a game. And you can play the game and earn more dark energy crystals. Get with me now. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the show. Also, stay tuned. Go to Something Sweet. Get your free ice cream. Just say Rich Action at the counter to give you your free scoop of ice cream. In order to be rich, you got to take action. You got to take action in order to be rich. Peace.